Right, where are the good ones? Oh, there.
Oh, anybody
Yay,
can be
now we can...
Did you... Why do you just want to make me mad so bad?
I don't... Mom, it was...
You do.
You can always go back and get another one.
Did you turn me into...
Yay! I've gone mad with power. Hey goofballs, and welcome to episode 16 of Kirby Star Allies, the game that teaches you how to press people's buttons. And in this episode, we're going to be pressing Nintendo's buttons, because in this episode, we are going to be pressing big buttons, and if we do that, we will get secret levels, and I want secret levels. And today, as always, I'll be joined by my mom.
Hey.
Anyway, let's start. So this is the first level that has a big button that we haven't gotten yet. Well, they're called switches, but, you know, buttons sound cooler, right? Snap a screenshot anytime you want. Well, joke's on Nintendo. I can't snap a screenshot anytime I want. I ran out of space and memory on my Switch. So yeah, if I wasn't exactly clear on what we're doing, we're going back to previous levels to get some switches. Because if you get the switches, then you get to play secret levels, and I want to play secret levels. Right. Whoa, I got electrified.
How many levels do we have to do today?
I don't know. We do it until I get bored. And I never get bored. So we're playing for infinity amount of time. I'm joking. All right. Where's the character you want to be?
So far, nobody.
Okay, we're gonna wait for for a good character for Mom. Cause, you know, I usually just pick the first person I see, and that's who Mom is. The Rock.
I don't like him. Wait, did I think I kind of maybe did like him? I don't know.
Okay, The Rock.
We'll see.
Oh wait, I need one of those rocks to press some buttons. Right. Ooh, stomp! Hey, it's a Mario brick block! Right, that's cool. Right.
It's fun to just watch.
Yeah, alright.
It's hard when I'm playing, I don't notice anything else, because...
Oh, I think we need one of these guys. That doesn't mean you have to be him. Wait, I think it does mean you have to be him, right?
That's fine.
So you're NESP.
I don't know what that means.
Right, electrify me. Press B on me. Press B on me.
I did, but I got it.
Oh, right, I have to hold up.
Yeah, help me.
And then you move it to me.
Oh, the bubble?
Yeah.
I'm moving that bubble? I went to ya.
Huh. I don't understand this.
Come, where are you?
Wait,
Stand
just...
right by me.
Okay, press it, hold it down to me.
I am. Hold it down to you. Oh, this?
Wait, get it right there.
Where?
There.
Here? There?
No, not...
Where?
Don't disappear it. Right there. I was pointing at it. Right. Okay, how do you... Oh, do I need to... Do you need to hold up? Hold up. Oh, get on. Whoa, what is going on? What are you doing? Oh, man, look at that. Geniconosis. Okay, now you need to move me down into that thing.
I don't know what's happening. Oh, that's you?
Yeah, I'm the big statue.
How do I do that?
Just go up here. And boom! Hold up again. Right. Oh, and now I'm the magic mouse. And now right in the middle. There. And boom! There we go. And you can get all the rewards.
Hi.
What?
Why?
Because you did. Because you did it.
Oh, thank you.
Anyway, let's get some more stuff.
That's unlike you.
After these unlike me.
To let me get anything on these games.
Let's get some more stuff after these messages.
Hello, my name is Peach, and I've been captured by Bowser for the 6,304th time. To pass the time, I'm going to watch Jack's Junction. He is streaming right now. I'm going to subscribe so I don't miss out on any fun videos. Oh, there's Mario.
Is that the Jack Junction?
Yes, it is.
Thank you, princess.
Hey, come back here, you stupid.
Jack's Junction. Committed to duality sense 2020.
Hey, look, I'm a DDD with a drum. Wait, it says we need to do the same thing. Okay, hold up. Okay, now, do you need me to hit me into those things?
Move your... I can't see. Here?
Yeah. I think let go of me, maybe? How do you... No, you didn't.
I did let go, and it didn't do anything, so
No, let go of me. Not
How
just
do I let go of you?
like this, maybe? There. Oh, look. And we have to do this process every single time we see one of these blocks. Do it again. Hold up.
I'm gonna get some stars first.
Mom, with your greed.
Oh yeah, that's what it is.
Right.
What it is.
Yeah, it is. Hold up.
I don't know what I'm doing. Okay,
On.
let me see if I can just remember. Boom.
There, boom! And we got... Ooh, a big legendary one. That's good, because we need those to complete the puzzles. Like, you don't need to, like, get every single one of these, because... you don't need to get every single one of these. It's nice to, but you don't need to get every single one of these. Because, you know, it's like not really necessary, but you do have to get all of the big sparkly ones. Oh no, we needed the rock guy and I lost him. We needed the rock guy and I lost him. Is there another rock guy? We need the rock guy ability. No, I don't want the water ability. I want the rock guy ability. Oh, okay, there's a rock guy. Good. Oh, I thought we... Oh, no. Okay, he's smashing me. I don't like that. Right. So... Let's see. Now we have the rock ability. Now we can do it. Right. So, just as we trained. Now, hold up. And now... Let go. Aw, we missed. Hold up. There, I'm a strong man now. And... Let go.
I'm not doing this on purpose. You know I don't have good aim.
And now I'm a rock. And boom, we got in. Isn't that just wonderful? I bet this is where the switch is. It's time to press Nintendo's buttons. Yay, we did it.
Did you let me get it?
Yeah,
Why?
because...
That's nice of you.
Yeah, I'm really nice, right?
Uncharacteristically nice of you.
Uh,
You're usually nice. You don't let me get stuff on these games.
your mom.
I am. You're greedy.
Not as greedy as you are.
Not true.
Okay.
Okay, true. Okay, true. Don't do a montage of all the times I've been greedy.
I happen to get all the stars because I'm just trying to beat the game. You go out of your way to make sure I can't get stars, even though I don't
That's
even
not true.
care about them.
You do too care about them. If I get something before you, you go, oh, you got it.
Well, that's only with the important stuff.
Okay.
Right. Oh no, we have to deal with frosty flakes here over here. Francesca Bernoulli.
Find her.
It's pronounced electrifying. And yeah, I think you are.
Doesn't seem to be doing anything.
Right. It's like a little star in a box I turned into. I can turn into such incredible things.
I'm getting her.
Right. Right. Oh, look how much damage I'm doing just by becoming the thing. You're not doing anything.
I was electrifying her.
Yeah,
Now
but
I'm dead. But I used all my
look how much power I can do with this simple thing.
Save me!
Oh no.
What?
Oh no, she's not. But look how much I can do with this.
Look what I'm doing. I'm killing her.
Right, look at this.
I killed her. See, I did it.
I did most of it.
I did all of it.
No, you did. Like, you were just spamming the attack that would have worked if she was close, but she wasn't close.
I would fly over to her and electrocute her. Whatever. Whatever. She's dead. Who cares?
Yeah, who cares who... But I wanted to take out the Death Cult member. Aww. Alright. We can skip this cutscene, right? No, we can't. Why? Oh my god, I'm so bored right now. Oh, it's over. Okay.
So we got to quit when you got bored.
What? No. You're twisting my words, Mom.
I don't think so.
Right. Ooh. Oh, look at all those special pieces. Oh, we still need so many more. I'm tired of waiting. I want to do stuff now. Right. Oh, all that for a dream palace? Really? Okay, I mean, like, they're all the same. It doesn't really matter. Right. Right. Let's go into the dream palace. Right. So, do you know what we're going to do at the dream palace?
You're going to pick another character for me.
Oh, it's not necessarily for you.
Oh,
okay.
okay.
I'm going to close my eyes for 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It's Susie! We haven't seen her in a really long time. Now that we have Susie, we can beat another level with a button. Right, we're going to press another one of Nintendo's buttons. I just like saying that. I'm really proud of that. Right. So what does Susie have? She has a little thing. She's flying. She's flying really high in. Right. What else can you do? Last time, last time she did a lot more than just fly. Right. We're gonna wait for her to kill like an enemy. Oh, well, that's kind of cool, I guess. Right. Let's see what she can do against that enemy. Not you. Not you. Let's not see what you can do. We know what you can do. Right. Ooh, puzzle piece. Right, it looks like we need one of these bomb guys, maybe. So we're gonna take him. Right. Right.
See the look I'm getting from the dog.
Why is the dog giving you a weird look?
I don't know.
Hold up. I mean, that guy should hold up. Wait, do you want to become plug? Oh, wait. No, Wait, the bomb guy should hold up. The wind?
Outside, you hear it?
Yeah, I hear it. It's creepy. You know, the wind is the root of all evil.
The Sarut?
The root
The root of all evil.
What, Mom?
That's what you said.
Sarut? What's that?
That's what you said. I don't know.
Right, so... So, I don't know where this secret is. Do you know where it is?
Why would I know where it is?
I don't know. I know, it's not a very good guess that you would know, but... I don't know. I'm desperate. Oh, how do you hit that?
Ooh, this is my hiding spot.
No, wait, how do you get in there?
I'm just gonna stay here in this little hole.
Yeah, good luck with that. Ooh, I found a puzzle piece, but... Wait, how do you hit that shocky thing? Maybe throw a bomb? No, my copy ability is gone! And everyone's dead! Almost dead! No, guys, don't follow me. I'm not a good role model. Oh, we had an exclamation point. Poppy Bros Jr. definitely wants to do something. Get in here, Poppy Bros! What do you do? You two are... Maybe get in the hole? Get in the... Maybe don't just stand there. They're already almost dead again.
Where do you... Tell me.
Oh my god. Wait. No, I'm not talking to you. I'm talking about the AIs. They're just being... Finkle butts. Hey, that's a really good insult. Finkle butts. Oh, look, there's the switch. Yay, we found it. Hooray, and we've unlocked another stage. Let's go do it. The new level that we just unlocked happens to be Sector C. That's what it's called. Alright. So, I have a new strategy for defeating enemies. So wait, want to see it? Let's let that enemy live for now. Okay, so here's my new strategy. There it goes, isn't it such a good strategy? Oh,
Can I
wait.
switch to somebody else? This guy's lame.
Let's see, wait, what is it saying us to do? Oh, do we need splash? Alright. Add it, yeah. How do I add the electricity? Maybe hit me with the thing. Oh, there. Electric bomb. Or wait, zap splash. What? Whoa. I have zap splash now? What is zap splash? That doesn't even sound like a word. Zap splash, zap splash. Technically, it's two words, but you get what I mean. Oh, I know who you could be.
Who?
Well, dead now. I think you killed him.
I didn't kill anybody.
Oh, then Susie and the other one did.
Who was it? I didn't see.
What was it? That little dinosaur you liked.
Oh.
Right, the next person I see, you're gonna become.
No, I don't want to be the acorn.
Well, you can't become an acorn. Right, the next person I see, you're gonna become. Unless you really don't like him.
Thank you.
But if you only kinda don't like him.
Are you Marks?
No, I'm Kirby with the Jester's hat. Big difference. Big difference. No, seriously, it's a really big difference. I mean, Kirby's pretty nice, and Marks is quite the naughty boy, isn't he? Right. So, going in the cannon. Well, we're not seeing anyone you can become.
Whoa.
Oh, get in the cannon. Get in the cannon. Do 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 do.
We're just running to the wall. Okay.
Well, the wall moves. You
I
see.
know, but when it closed, I thought that's what was creepy.
Alright. Yeah, I know I am. So cool. Oh, just look how cool I am. I'm so cool. And right through the middle. And boom. And boom! No, don't crush me. Oh, okay. I thought I was gonna get crushed for a second. That would have been bad. Right. There's no one. There's no one you can become.
There's nobody to kill either, so it's not like I need to...
Oh, there's the next person you can become. Wait, you're not even you. You're not even that character. You've been...
Dang it.
You've been letting an AI play for you. Alright. Oh, I see. Okay, so you're gonna be this character.
Who? That's the same guy I was!
There we go. Problem solved. Right. The next guy I see that you can become. And there are a bunch of guys down there, but you can't really get to them, can you? Oh, wait. Can you? Oh. So you're gonna become... the next guy I see after this, right?
Okay.
There's just too many guys and... Okay, you're gonna become...
I want to be the plug guy. Oh.
Okay, you can be the plug guy. Right. Now you're the plug guy.
Oh,
Right.
that's pretty-
Oh, and now the other guy is the dribbly. For some reason. Right.
Where am I?
Oh, I see.
Oh, what's my stupid power? Just the same thing, electrocuting people.
Yeah, basically. Whoa, what is happening?
I thought I found it.
Dribbly is just Messing around.
I have no superpower.
Whoa!
Oh, get me in there. Get.
Hey, I got one of the special puzzle I got one of the special puzzle pieces. I almost said puzzle pieces. Oh no! What is this? Could it be? Could it be? It's an enemy. It's an enemy. It's an enemy. It's an enemy. It's no friend of me.
I hate this superpower too.
You hate your shocking superpower.
Yeah. Oh, I'm
Right, the next person. Oh, you didn't need it. You didn't need it.
Did I get it?
Yeah.
Well, I'm dying.
No, you
A
weren't.
little bit dying.
You weren't even hurt. Okay, the next person we see, you're gonna become.
Oh, wait a minute. This might be good. If they're above me, look, I can shoot up. She just goes above me. She's dead.
Right.
Oh, no! No! No!
What?
Don't! Jack!
How about this?
Don't.
I randomize it.
If you pick me, I'm putting this. I'm not playing the rest of the game. You better not. I'm out. I am out.
Okay, I chose you. I replaced you with it. I hope that's okay.
I'm not that stupid. How did I get that key though?
Because she painted it. You could have had that. Oh. You could have made the key and. Right.
Oh, let me get some. I let you in there.
Well, it was her. She should have had it all, honestly. Oh, look, I got the key.
How'd you get it?
Because she
Where
painted
are we
it.
going? Will you
To La La Land.
get the key up here and let's get in here?
Right. So, are you excited?
About
This level?
as excited as I am for any other level.
And we won.
Oh, we did?
Yeah, we won.
Okay.
Right, and that means jump game. And jump. Come on.
Oh, good.
Look how many stars I got. But 300.
You're a star hog.
Star hog? You're more of a star
said it.
hog.
If I was a star hog, I would have more stars.
It gave us one puzzle piece.
Puzzle piece. Nope.
Let me win. Alright. So I think we have time to do one more level. Oh, right. After I beat the game, after I stopped recording, after I beat the game, it gave us this, the ability planet. So I wonder what this is. I think it allows you to be anyone you want.
I'm gonna be Marks.
Okay. Why?
Because that's my favorite too. Did
Oh,
I
you're-
just do that
Yeah.
stupid thing? Wait. I might want to go back and get a different one.
Okay.
Let's see what I do first. Wait. Oh, wait, this is kind of cool. I like him. I'll do it.
Right.
Look at them all.
Yeah, you can be anyone you want to
Who's that
be.
guy in the end right there? Oh, that's a broom. I like the broom.
Right.
I like this
Ooh.
guy. He's got fire yo-yos.
They're not necessarily fire. Okay, how about like it looks like there's some room to explore in here. Maybe this can be our level. Right.
Wait. Let me whip some stuff with my fire yo-yos. I can't break anything. Oh, because you're fire.
Yeah, I don't know why you thought your yo-yo was full of fire.
What is it? Oh, did you see me spin?
Right, where are the good ones? Oh, there.
Oh, anybody.
Yay, now we can...
Did you... Why do you just want to make me mad so bad?
I don't... Mom, it was...
You do.
You can always go back and get another one.
Did you turn me into...
Yay! I've gone mad with power. Right. What? What's wrong?
Then you wonder why I don't always want to play.
Mom,
Now
you can...
I'm a stupid big fat walrus.
You can turn back anytime you want.
I can't, because you're leading the pack. Look what happens. There I go. Back to you.
Way! Front throw! It's the wrong way. Why did I throw you that way? Okay, get on. Somebody get on. Right. Hey, look, and you got all the stars in the one-ups.
No, I didn't.
Yes, you did. Oh, look what I am. What am I? Festival?
Turkey.
Whoa, what's this? Festival dance?
How do you know the names of them?
It appeared on the screen.
Oh, okay, I didn't see it.
Alright.
No, but you said festival before it appeared on the screen.
Oh, it did appear on the screen then. Okay, you can be anyone you want.
None of these lame-os.
Bonkers is a lame-o, okay.
Where's Bonkers? I didn't see. I have my glasses on. I'll be Bonkers.
Alright. Is that like a good team?
Yeah.
I think that's a good team.
Beat the crap out of those walruses.
Mom.
With my hammer.
They're gonna say with your hands. Right, now that we've got our perfect team, let's show these suckers 1-4. Is that how you use grammar, Mom?
What for?
Yeah, what for?
1-4? Oh, let's show them 1-4. Let's show them 5.
Shush, Mom.
And you make fun of me about stuff.
Oh, and you're
yours
dead
are
now.
just as bad.
No, like, not as bad.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Your mom.
1-4. Nope. You make fun of me constantly.
Yes. And that's okay, Mom. But when you make fun of me, oh, that's not okay.
Exactly.
Yeah,
1-4.
you have some sense in you, Mom. Why is that funny to you?
Let's show those suckers 1-4.
Look, it's a big fat mouse.
That's a good one.
Mom, a word after the video.
Oh, okay. But if I would have said something wrong, it would have been fine to make fun of me.
Well, yeah, I mean, you're the comic relief character. Okay, don't kill that guy. Don't you dare kill him.
What guy?
That guy right there, and you almost killed him, Mom. How do we get up there?
I'm gonna go get this magic mushroom. Oh.
It's not a magic mushroom, it's a...
Oh, it hit me.
Right,
Dead.
Whoa, what is happening? I'm sucking people. What do I do now? Whoa, what is going on? Friend Super Vac? What? That looks like it would really hurt.
Yeah, I don't... Yeah, to do that to your friends is really pretty bad.
Right, how do we get rid of these leaves? Help me.
With the super vac.
Oh no, I just brushed him away with my normal broom.
Oh.
Yeah. Right. Oh. Oh, I need to blow all these things. Right, you reap the rewards, and
I will. I will, buddy. I will.
Well, I get all the stuff.
Okay.
Oh. Oh no!
Oh.
No!
Come on! Look at that big star!
Well, we failed.
Man!
What? What?
You tell me I get it all.
Oh, wait.
and- What? We're back in?
I think we can try it again.
Okay, I'm gonna go reap the rewards.
Well, Mom, it's you can't get mad at me for failing.
Okay. Go faster. I want that big star.
Well, Mom.
Go.
Oh my God.
Stop talking and go.
Oh no, I'm gonna fail.
Get it?
I don't really feel like
it.
I'm No, I'm not sorry. I did as best as I can, and that's okay.
But okay.
That's what you say all the time. I did my best, and that's okay. Then when I fail, you're like,
Because you always get mad at me when I don't do it. Do it. What do you? I don't even know what you gotta do. So
oh, I gotta
get the fan.
blow these stuff.
Come on, one more. Get it.
No, it's
get
3
it.
more.
I don't care. I want that one.
No.
Honestly.
I'm sorry, Mom.
When it's your reward, you're always so good at it. I don't understand. It's because I'm getting it and you can't do it. Usually, you're great at this.
Maybe you should do it.
No, I want
And
the
I should
star.
reap the rewards.
No. I've pulled my thumb down on this button.
No!
Get it, Jack, get it!
I can't.
Ah.
Dang it! Why am I so bad at this?
Are we gonna not do it? Or you want to just give up? But we got that puzzle piece right there.
Give up?
Oh, I don't want to
Give up!
I don't want to give up.
You want me to give up? Bah, humbug, I say.
Okay.
Alright. You just keep reaping those rewards while I
I am.
break my back.
I don't know how to do it. So
Oh, come on.
one more.
Oh.
Get it?
Boo! Boo! Yay! And we got the big puzzle piece. What did we get?
The big puzzle piece.
We got the big puzzle piece. Oh wait, we started looking for a switch, aren't we?
We're still looking for a switch.
Mom, why did you go back in?
Oh, I didn't know I did. Dang it.
Well,
We get more stuff.
we can get one more star, but that's like.
Let's go. Oh.
Well, that was the door I wanted you to go in. Thank you, Mom. Oh, now you're dead, and you're. Because you're spamming all the buttons. You turned into him.
So stupid.
Yeah, why would you do these things to yourself, Mom? Yeah, but you still do them to yourself,
Why
and you
can't I get in
never
there?
learn.
Why can't I get in that chest?
They never learn. You can't teach a mom. All right.
Let's show these guys 1-4. This is fun.
I'll show you 1-4. No, don't go in. Don't go into that door yet. Wait, what if? Invincibility candy. Yeah, invincible candy. Invincible 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 candy. Invincible candy. Invincible candy. Yeah. Oh, we're not invincible anymore. What the heck? Invincible candy, invincible candy. Invincible candy, invincible candy. Yeah, invincible candy. Sometimes you're just too much. Alright. Alright.
Are we supposed to get those treasures?
Oh, I
Why
see
aren't getting
something.
any treasures?
Get out. Get
Where I
on.
am. Almost here.
Well, wait, he just jumped off right. Everyone, get on. Get on. Right. And...
Where am I going? What's it?
boom! Look what I did!
I don't know what I did.
Cool stuff. And that leads to a button, hopefully. Right. And we did it, and that unlocks a secret level. Oh, a dream palace. Okay. Oh, that's just great, isn't it? Dream palace, yeah. Right, we beat the level, and you know what time it is now?
Time to go make dinner.
No,
Oh,
your favorite part.
the jump game.
Yeah. Ooh, Kawasaki's versus Kirby and the other one.
Those Kawasaki's are awful heavy. Oh my gosh, how?
Dancing is so much fun. Dancing is so much fun. I love dancing. Please help me, Mom. I don't think I'm very well. And I'm also apparently British. Right, since we got the Dream Palace, we may as well use it. Right, I'm gonna close my eyes for 5 seconds. 5, 4, 10, 3, 9, 2, 4, 9, 6, 1. Susie again, okay? I mean, it didn't really matter, we're not even using her, but... Yeah, sure. We'll replace her. Right, that looks like a good place to end the episode. But before we end the episode, let's see what we're gonna do in the next episode. Right, I'm gonna close my eyes and I'm gonna randomly move around. 5, 10, 5, 6, 2, 5, 7, 1. We just did some story mode. Let's do something else. 5, 4, 3, and 5, 6, 3, 2, 1. We just did some story mode. Let's do something else. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We just did. Wait. Oh, no, they can't do that. Okay. 10 seconds. And we just did story mode. Okay. Close my eyes. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The ultimate choice. That is the only mode we have never done. So yeah, we're gonna do the ultimate choice in the next episode, and it is going to be the ultimate episode. Gonna be cool editing tricks. Actually, I'm not gonna.
Don't say that.
I'm not gonna say I'm gonna do cool editing tricks because what if I forget? And then you're looking forward to them, and then there's no cool editing tricks. Here's a cool editing trick. It's called ending the episode. Bye.
Hey awesome viewers, thank you for watching Jack's Junction. Please like and subscribe, it would really help the channel out. Keep being awesome.
Whoa, look, it's Screenception. I should probably stop. That could probably give somebody a seizure.